Y'all, this is so freaking cute. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to your girl channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I achieved this cute little 90s / early 2000s inspired hairstyle. I really didn't know what to do with this wig just because it's on a really short side, but I think it's super cute and super duper natural looking. But I just want to say, I think how you pronounce their name is Keandraahzhane. Y'all did y'all thing with this wig, like seriously, so freaking soft. And it was soft from the time that I received it until like now, and it's fully installed and everything. I done washed it, shampooed it, conditioned it, like bleached the knots on it. And do y'all see the definition in these curls? I have nothing bad to say about this hair. It feels like butter, especially when I was washing it. Sis. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me struggling applying a wig at 2 a.m. I'm just all over the place. It's like I forgot how to freaking install a wig because it's 2 a.m.
Hot girl. If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
Alright, you guys, so once you open your box, your wig will come inside of a big plastic like Ziploc bag, and you also get some wig caps, which was really nice of them. But here's the wig. It also came wrapped in a net, and it had a little cute little hang tag. It was pink and it gave you like a few quick details about the hair, the density, all of that good stuff. The only thing I would say that I dislike about this wig is that ashy gray lace, but we still worked with her and finessed her anyway. And that's just the whole wig. And she was super soft, y'all, like felt like butter, okay? And the hairline wasn't all that bad either. This is what she looked like when I finished washing her. That was the inside of the cap. It did come with 4 clips and an adjustable strap. And as y'all can see, my face is just like that lace. But like I said, we gonna finesse it. We gonna work with it. Okay? But the hairline was nice though. It wasn't that bad. I plucked it a little bit, but your girl was lazy. It was 2 a.m. so I really didn't pluck it that much. She was soft or whatever. So yeah, I'm just giving y'all a close up. But y'all can see how like the lace is like totally off from my complexion. But we gonna work with her. So boom, we finna go right in with the razor. Please do not cut your lace like this. Like, don't do it. I was far away from my forehead, but still, just grab some scissors and cut you like 3 slits, which will give you like 4 little flaps on your lace. It just makes the install way much smoother, easier. We going in with our got to be glue. Yes, this is a glueless install, period. You don't need no harsh, like glues or anything. You can just use this got to be glue hairspray to lay your wig down. Now, mine was spraying out funny for some odd reason. I don't know why. That's happened to me in the past before, where like, I don't know if it's fail or something like that, and the nozzle just give out. But that was kind of disrespectful. So I'm just cutting the excess lace around the ears, trying to clip her back so we can get straight to it. after we laid our wig down and it's dry, we're gonna take that same razor. Now y'all, I swear by these little eyebrow razors, they the best thing for cutting your lace and making sure that you get like a flawless like install. They just cut the lace real jacket like, so it doesn't look like straight across. And as y'all can see, that lace is very detectable. It ain't the razor fault, it's the color of the lace. But like I said, I'm gonna try to finesse it to the best of my ability. But we gonna move on to the baby hairs, and y'all can just watch how I do that. I like my baby hairs to look very natural and kind of like on the thinner side. So yeah, we about to just lay them down with I'm using my Got to Be Glued, the black gel, and my edge brush. We about to go to work. Alright y'all, so another thing that I swear by, a silk scarf. Sis, get you a scarf, a silk scarf. I'm pretty sure everybody already got one. You should, for wrapping your hair up. But this right here is what's gonna further melt that lace. We need her laid, melted into our skin, all the above. So I'm just gonna put that on there, and we gonna leave that scarf on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let sis melt, let her marinate, period, into our skin. 5 to 10 minutes. And we're back. So it ain't looking all that bad. Like I told y'all, I was being a little bit lazy, so I ain't really pluck it. She, we've had better installs, but it was 2 a.m. So cut me some slack. I'm about to lay the top of it down with this Lot of Body foam and mousse. We about to just go in with that. Is that even what it's called? I think it's called like foam and wrap lotion, whatever. Get y'all some mousse. And I'm also going in with my makeup brush and some makeup to try to conceal, don't feel that lace, because we can see it. So I'm just trying to cover that up. And I'm gonna continue back with styling the hair. Now y'all gonna watch me try to lay this hair down. I think it was just that it was really dense and that I really didn't go in and pluck it. Y'all gonna see me go in like a little bit into the video, go in and try to right about now, try to pluck it and make it a little bit less dense. But it was very like dense at the top and like where the frontal was. Then I came back, I wet it. I wasn't feeling it. Yeah, you saw me, I'm just like, no, I don't know. So I'm like, okay, let's try a side part. Y'all gonna see me play around with the parts, everything. I just wasn't feeling it. And I feel like what it really was is what I said, that it was dense and I didn't go through and take my time and pluck it. So, and it was 2 a.m. I don't know why I thought, I did this install in like less than 20 minutes. Probably even less than that. But, yeah, I don't know. I just wasn't feeling it. So, y'all will see what I end up doing with it though. Boom, we getting somewhere. So I start pulling it back and I'm like, wait a minute, I did this hairstyle previously and I liked it. You really can't go wrong unless your frontal not really laid in the front. You really can't go wrong. See, she looks a little bit dense, but you know what, it's fine. Like, it ain't that bad. A little bit more dense than what I usually do, but it's okay. She's fine. She's gonna have to do. So then I forgot I bought these a while back for like a to do a ponytail with like a throwback childhood inspired hairstyle like this one. So I took my little hairballs that I bought and we wrapped them around our ponytail, and I was like, oh, this is really cute. Like, this is cute. It didn't match my shirt, but it's fine because it's cute. So we kept playing with it, and then I'm just gonna twist. I'm gonna break my hair in half in a minute, and I'm gonna twist it, and that is gonna be like my 90s/early 2000s inspired hairstyle. Because I don't know about y'all, but when I was little, mama stayed putting twists in my hair with boards. Like, that was the go-to. Sis couldn't braid, but she could do some twists though. Like, hair was still laid. So yeah. And boom, just like that, we just got a cute little hairstyle. We made the best out of our little short hair, and that was really it for this video, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Alright, y'all, so I basically was trying to find a cute hairstyle to do with this hair because it's really short and it's like I'm not used to it. It's kind of like on the thinner side. It just looks very, very natural, and I'm like, dude, what am I gonna like? How am I finna style this? So I decided to take it back to the 90s, early 2000s and do this cute little that era inspired hairstyle. So anyway, so this is the end of the video, y'all. If y'all enjoyed it, you already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell for post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let me know what y'all thought about this little cute last minute hairstyle, 90s/early 2000s inspired. I think it was really cute. Like, twist. It just reminded me of my childhood. Like, this is literally what mama used to put in my hair. A bunch of these little twists with these on the top of them and boards at the bottom. I know I ain't the only one, but this hairstyle came out super duper cute, and that's a wrap. Period. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. What are you doing? Like, we're lit. We're lit. And like, I feel like you need to get in with the litness too. Like, alright, I'm finna end the video for real because I've been talking for like too long.
All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you home. All I ever asked was you to show me some love.